Se la pasan diciendo que soy mala, porque no me aguanto drama de nada. Dime si vienes a mi cama, a mi cama.
This is another one as well. This one has pushed out a lot of leaves. Here goes all the way down there. So guys, me and Zeeks, we have been busy putting in our posts. So this is what I do, guys. So the same day I cut the post, I plant them. So the first day me and Zeke went to cut post, we cut two bundles. We cut two bundles of these never die posts. And also I get some help from a friend of mine. So he bring one bundle and I bring the other bundle. But me I tell you, say guys, it wasn't easy because the closer I'm getting to the pen, the more pressure I start to feel, and then it's come like the pen is moving. The distance is getting further and further. But now I see my shoulder, guys, my shoulder bruise. But I know I had to get it done anyway, so